Two email giants, one showdown. Which platform truly stands out for your business? On the left, the legendary feature-packed MailChimp. And on the right, the rising star Kit, known for its simplicity and automation. Let's cut through the marketing noise and see what they actually offer. Every key area earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The winner just might surprise you. All right, here's a quick mind map of how we're breaking things down. We'll check out pricing and value, features and automation, design and ease of use, reporting and analytics, integrations, and yeah, support. Sound good? Let's start at the top with what everyone always asks about. MailChimp first. They kick things off with a free tier, which honestly is awesome if you're just starting out or your list is tiny, and it's a big but, it can get pricey as your subscriber list grows because they charge per contact. Want to unlock the full MailChimp experience? That's on higher price plans. Now, Kit, on the other hand, is all about simplicity. The plans are super affordable and the pricing is totally flat. No sneaky charges as you get more contacts. Of course, the base plan doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but sometimes you just want to send emails without sweating the bill, right? So in this round, Kit definitely takes the win for value. Next up, features and automation. Okay, MailChimp is kind of a powerhouse here. We're talking advanced journey builders, A/B testing, segmentation, even landing pages. If you want deep automation, MailChimp's got it. Though, I'll be honest, it can feel a little overwhelming if you're totally new. Kit, though, keeps things simple. Their campaign builder is crazy easy to use and you'll get basic automations, but that's mostly it. No fancy workflow stuff. So if you want straightforward and no confusion, Kit's great. But for advanced features, MailChimp wins this category. Design and ease of use. Let's do it. MailChimp's editor looks super polished, and the template library is huge. Love that. Only drawback, if you want to dive deep, there's a bit of a learning curve. Kit? It wins at being minimalist. Their UI is intuitive, and you can get a campaign up and running like almost instantly, which is honestly such a relief if you hate fiddling with settings. Their templates are more limited, though. But hey, both are really solid in their own ways, so this one's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the first marketing email was sent all the way back in 1978? And get this, it generated $13 million in sales. Who says email isn't powerful, right? Reporting and analytics. Here's where MailChimp flexes again. You get deep insights, conversion tracking, and integrations with GA4, WooCommerce, Shopify. The gang's all here. Downside? Some of that juicy reporting is only available on the higher plans. Kit's reporting is more, I'd say, bare essentials. You can see opens, clicks, who unsubscribed. That's about it. No crazy engagement analytics. So if you're a stats nerd, it's MailChimp all the way. Integrations. MailChimp is basically the king here. There are hundreds of integrations. Think e-commerce, CRMs, ads, and the API is rock solid. But worth noting, sometimes you'll need plugins or upgrades, which is a little annoying. Kit's approach? Much more focused. It's great if your world revolves around Shopify, and it works with Zapier, but honestly, outside of e-commerce, you might be left wanting more. Another clear win for MailChimp. Last up, support. MailChimp offers email and chat, but here's the kicker. You only get phone support at the highest tier. The Help Center is huge, though. Now, Kit is super consistent with email and live chat on all their plans, which is kind of rare and very cool. The help library is smaller, sure, but you get actual human help when you need it. So for support, Kit's gotta be the winner. All right, if we pop these results onto a radar chart, you'll see MailChimp dominates in features, analytics, and integrations. But Kit really shines when it comes to price and support. Honestly, it's a pretty interesting matchup. So here's my take. MailChimp is epic for businesses that are ready to scale, need deep automation, and want all the data. But if you're just starting out or you want something straightforward and budget-friendly, Kit totally nails it. There's no wrong answer, just what fits best for your goals. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.